So guys, we have new update as on 14 July 2021 with respect to income tax return filing for the new financial year. To Shri Pallav ji, Office of the Director of Income Tax ने ये reply दिया है guys. Sir, request for information under the RTI Act. Reference, your online RTI application dated 22 June received on transfer और आपका replies as under. In the RTI application sent to this office, दो क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे. नंबर 1, प्लीज प्रोवाइड डाटा ऑफ टोटल इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न फाइल्ड between 7th June 21 to 21st June 21 on new e-filing portal. Second, please also provide ITR filed on each day between 7th June to 21st June because जो ये 40,000 का फिगर सर्कुलेट की जा रही है ना, इसके बारे में पता तो लगे. RTI application is disposed as under. Reply to query number 1 and 2. The applicant is hereby informed that the requested information is not held as such by the CPIO as registered information, nor is the requested information required to be maintained as such by the CPI. Under extant rules or regulation, it may be mentioned here that the CPI is not obliged to collect and compile such non-available information and provide the same to the applicant. Further, under the RTI Act, CBIO is authorized to provide only such info as is available and existing and held by the public authority. The Honorable Supreme Court in the case of CBSE versus Aditya has held at para 63 of their order that where the info sought is not part of the record of the public authority and where such information is not required to be maintained under any law or rule or regulation of the public authority, the Act does not cast any obligation upon the public authority to collect such data. अगर आप satisfied नहीं हो तो आप अपील भी कर सकते हो. मे बी फाइल्ड विद इन 30 days फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ रिसिट ऑफ दिस ऑर्डर. सो गाइस, प्लीज टेलीग्राम को ज्वाइन कर लेना इन सबको डाउनलोड करने के लिए. आई बिलीव आपके लिए इंफॉर्मेशन काफी रेलेवेंट होगी, तो प्लीज लाइक करके शेयर करना. टिल देन, थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव अ नाइस डे, बाय.